How to make driving techno. First, let's set the tempo to somewhere like 130 BPM and start with a good heavy kick from a sample pack. Some close hi-hats, some percussion, and some snare fills. To make them fit more into the techno vibe of the track, cut the highs and boost the mids. Add some reverb. After 8 bars, let's add a bright open hi-hat. And add a little bit of delay to this to add this kind of rolling effect. At the halfway point of the drop, let's add some claps. And some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you want these drum samples, you can check out my sample pack from the link in the description. The pack contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, percussion, and more. And the sounds are really high quality and will make your production process easier and faster. So if you're interested in it, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now on to creating the signal rumble. Let's link this to a parallel channel and add reverb with a high cut around 150 Hz. And let's sidechain this rumble to the kick using a limiter. Then let's add a respace like this. I'll sidechain it and cut the lows to avoid this from clashing with the rumble. Then we need a gloomy ambience pad. I'll create a separate channel with Shaperbox and link this to that. And let's take off the lows and some mids. Now, as our main driving element, we need some repetitive and powerful arps. As I send this to shaper box, use EQ to cut the lows and then saturate the highs. Then we need some acid shots. And some synths to fill out the drop. As I send this, and dampen the lows from this. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's create a repetitive melody. As I send this and cut off the lows, and let's also automate the cutoff filter of this sound to make it more interesting. Let's start with the kick and the acid, and after 8 bars, let's add the open hi-hats, the arps, and the closed hi-hats. Moving on to the build-up, let's run the kicks through a high-pass filter like this. Then let's add the pads, and I'll disable shaper box at the build-up and the snare fills. Then let's make a snare roll. And I'll open up the snare using a transient processor. Then let's add some rises and some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change some elements at the second half. And also let's add a ride at the second drop. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.